Why does melasma cause changes in human skin pigmentation? Have you ever noticed dark patches on your skin that seem to appear out of nowhere? This condition is known as melasma, and it can lead to noticeable changes in skin pigmentation. So, what exactly causes this phenomenon? Let's break it down in a straightforward way. Melasma primarily changes skin pigmentation due to the overproduction and uneven distribution of melanin, the pigment that gives our skin its color. This happens when melanocytes, the cells responsible for producing melanin, become overly active. Several factors can trigger this process, including exposure to ultraviolet radiation from the sun, hormonal changes, and even genetics. At the cellular level, the production of melanin is a complex process regulated by various genes and proteins. In cases of melasma, certain receptors on melanocytes become more active. This increased activity leads to the production of alpha-melanocyte-stimulating hormone. This hormone stimulates the transcription of genes that control enzymes essential for melanin synthesis, particularly tyrosinase. Tyrosinase is a key enzyme that catalyzes the initial steps in melanin production. When this enzyme is more active, it results in an increase in melanin synthesis, which creates those characteristic dark patches associated with melasma. Additionally, ultraviolet radiation can stimulate other skin cells, like keratinocytes and fibroblasts, to release growth factors. These growth factors further promote the activity of melanocytes and increase melanin production. The interaction among these various skin cells creates a network of signals that enhances pigmentation in the affected areas. Interestingly, the number of melanocytes in melasma-affected skin may not increase. Instead, these cells become larger and more active, producing more melanosomes. Melanosomes are the organelles that synthesize and store melanin. These melanosomes are then transferred in greater quantities to keratinocytes, the predominant cells in the outer layer of the skin, intensifying the visible pigmentation. Hormonal changes can also play a significant role in melasma. For instance, during pregnancy or when using oral contraceptives, hormonal fluctuations can increase the activity of melanocytes. This explains why melasma is often more common or worsens during these times. In summary, melasma causes changes in skin pigmentation by prompting melanocytes to produce excess melanin through a combination of ultraviolet radiation, hormonal influences, and cellular interactions within the skin. Understanding these mechanisms can help in finding effective treatments to manage melasma and its effects on skin appearance.